back to my channel. Thanks so much for clicking on this video.
I mean, from the car park to the entrance to, in fact, this is deep.
Today I am presently at the Pinnacle store. It's a supermarket here in Ibadan, Nigeria. It's situated at Dugbe in Nigeria, and it's a popular place where things are bought here in Ibadan. And you know the funniest part is that their things are way cheaper than the regular ShopRite prices. So that's where I'll be shopping today, and I want you to come along with me. Come shop with me. Let's go. If you are yet to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button below, please, and also hit the bell beside it. Give this video a like and leave me a comment below. If you stay in Ibadan, if you've actually visited this place before, let me know. And if you have other places in your state or in your country apart from the regular popular ShopRite, also let me know. Let's go. So I actually have a list of the things I want to get here, and that's what I'll be getting. And this is my sister Palumi. She's helping out. No, I'm not getting. You detergent when you can. Why that place? See, can you draw? Ẹ gbà mí lọ́wọ́ Mr. Ajadi o. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Ó kéré àpò. Wọ́n máa yá fún mi kó máa pọ̀. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ sọ kéré ni àbò pọ̀.
Nígbà tí mo fẹ́ ra tí mo ní kó kọ Maggi salt ṣúgà.
Kí ló wá pọ̀?
Tó wá gbogbo ní ìjọba lápò.
No, àwọn ilé ìtura mẹ́tẹ̀lẹ̀ provisions already for what I want to buy. And this is the perfume and cosmetic area.
Wow, they've even really increased the number of their cashiers, as in the waiting time has really reduced compared to where they were at Felele before.
So we just left where we paid for the stuffs, and we are going to where they will cross-check and make sure that everything is on point. So this is the place for the final checking before exiting. So I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Please give this video a like, leave me a comment below, and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much for coming with me to Pinnacle in Dubai, Ibadan. So next time when I see you in my next video, thank you so much guys. Bye. Stop that.